I'm in the north, but southern style tastes brighten any day. These pan-fried potatoes make a wonderful side for fast-fried boneless pork chops. Here, I make the whole meal in one pan, less to clean up. That's a good thing on a boat or in a kitchen. Start with these small white potatoes. Nice clean skin and no eyes. Cut them into small flat chunks. The flat shape means they'll cook faster and more evenly. Cut up an onion into slices and break the slices apart into onion rings. Let's cut up a quarter of a red bell pepper. I prefer red, but green if you wish. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. We'll need salt and pepper to make them tasty. Plain black pepper, and fancy salt, whatever. A teaspoon or tablespoon of red chili flakes, depending on how much you like heat. Paprika, let that fry for 2 minutes. Cut up an onion into slices. And break the slices apart into onion rings. Let's cut up a quarter of a red bell pepper. I prefer red, but green if you wish. These potatoes have been frying nicely. Let's add the onion and the pepper. Stir from time to time. The potatoes have started to get a nice crust on them. Let's crack an egg to dip the pork chops into. And beat that well. These are thin, boneless, fast-fried chops. Thicker chops will take longer to fry, and will need to have the time that they're added to the potatoes adjusted so they don't get overdone. Dip the chops into the egg, coating both sides well. The chops will be dipped in breadcrumbs. Make room in the pan for the chops. Dredge the chops in the breadcrumbs and place into the pan. Fry for 2 minutes for this thickness of chop. Flip over, stir the potatoes from time to time. Fry for another 2 minutes. Check for doneness. Don't waste the leftover egg. Give it another minute and serve. So what a wonderful taste. Just a little bit of heat and a lot of goodness.